I want to do an unboxing of the Night Owl 1080p smart doorbell. Show you guys. There's the top. I already got one open right there. Alright. And I just took the sticker off to make it easier with one hand. Or the clear tape. There we go. It's got the decals. I got one for front door in the back. Alright, box out the side. Alright, so it's got the clear coat. And what you'll do is you'll have to, let's see if this one is easier. With one hand. So you have, this is the SD card. I should have had this one prepared. Anyhow. Yeah, if you want to hold the camera for me. Just have it kind of down there. You don't have to get everything. See, there's the SD card that it comes with. It does say on the box that some of them don't even have the SD, but the 16 gig. You see that? Alright. It's good to probably look and make sure the thing's even in there, since the box does say. Now, here's where, just whenever you're setting it up, you'll use this cord here, just like you would an Android phone charger. You'd stick it in the USB. Okay. Now obviously I can't show you the setup because I'm using the phone to record with. And this one right here where it says sync and reset, you'll when you're doing your, if this right here is not spinning, which in the instructions it'll tell you all that, you'll hit that reset button. You'll hear it click, and then that's how you'll sync your phone. It's Night Owl Connect, and that's how you'll connect to your Wi-Fi. And it comes with this little screwdriver where you'll you'll take your old doorbell out and you'll wire it up to these two screws. And if for some reason the doorbell like continues to ring, it has this little amp. So I hooked this one up. It's got a little amp with it. This will actually be attached to the ringer that goes to the doorbell, and that'll keep it from constantly ringing, to where it'll only ring once, and then whenever they let go, it'll stop. But yeah, you'll just connect the wires for your from your doorbell into here, and it doesn't matter which one's red or black, and it'll tell you that in the instructions. And that should be it. Alright, that's the Night Owl 1080p. Thanks for watching.